Umewahi kula chapati? Have you ever eaten chapati? Hi everyone, welcome to this Swahili lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the verb kuwahi. Kuwahi, it has two uses. The first use, it implies to ever have done something. As you can see from the question, Umewahi kula chapati? Have you ever eaten chapati? Then, the second use of this verb kuwahi, it implies to get something or to do something on time. But we'll start with the first use, then we will discuss the second use. So we have the dialogues here. Umewahi kula chapati? Have you ever eaten chapati? Ndiyo, nimewahi. Yes, I have. Umewahi kuenda Kenya? Have you ever gone to Kenya? Hapana, sijawahi. No, I haven't. As you can see from the dialogue, umewahi kula chapati? Have you ever eaten chapati? If your answer is yes, I have, then you say ndiyo, nimewahi. Yes, I have. But if your answer is no, you say hapana, sijawahi. No, I haven't. So this question normally is asking you if you have ever done something before or it's your first time. Okay? So if we're eating chapati, or we want to prepare chapati, then I ask you, have you ever eaten this chapati? Have you ever eaten chapati? Then you say, yes, I have. Or if you haven't, you say, no, I haven't. Hapana, sijawahi. The second is, umewahi kuenda Kenya? Have you ever gone to Kenya? Umewahi kuenda Kenya? Have you ever gone to Kenya? Then you say, hapana, sijawahi. If you've never gone to Kenya, you say, hapana, sijawahi. You can repeat the entire phrase, hapana, sijawahi kuenda Kenya, but normally people don't do that. They just say, hapana or hapana, sijawahi. If you have, you say, ndiyo, nimewahi. Umewahi kupanda ndege? Have you ever boarded a plane? Hapana, sijawahi. No, I haven't. Umewahi kuona simba? Have you ever seen a lion? Ndiyo, nimewahi. Yes, I have. You can notice this word umewahi is coming with another verb. The main verb. Umewahi kupanda. The main verb in the infinitive form. It has the ku. Umewahi kupanda ndege. Umewahi kuona simba. You see? Now, let's get the other use of this word kuwahi. And see, it implies to get or to do something on time. Kuwahi. Now this kuwahi, it implies to do something on time or to get something on time, to arrive at a particular place on time and, So let's see, nimewahi. Nimewahi, this will mean I have arrived on time or I have got something on time. If you're catching the bus, you say nimewahi basi. It means you catch the bus on time. You went there on time and it went with you, not without you. Number 2, uliwahi. Uliwahi, now here, I cannot just ask you uliwahi if I don't know what you're talking about. It depends on the context that we are speaking about. Then I can ask you uliwahi. Maybe you tell me, we are talking about party. Then the party was to start at 8. I can ask you, uliwahi, did you arrive there on time? Uliwahi. Uliwahi sherehe. I add the word sherehe. Uliwahi sherehe. Did you arrive at the party on time? If you did, then you can say ndiyo, niliwahi. I arrived there on time. If you didn't, you say hapana, sikuwahi. I didn't arrive there on time. So you went there and the party is finishing. You see? Niliwahi mkutano. Niliwahi mkutano means I arrived in the meeting so early, on time. Okay, on time actually. I arrived there for the meeting on time. Niliwahi mkutano. If you didn't, you say sikuwahi mkutano and you are regretting. Sikuwahi mkutano. Now, it is the month of Ramadan. Normally, Muslims, we wake up at very, very early in the morning to get the light meal. So if you got this meal, it's called suhur. If you got this meal on time, then you can say niliwahi suhur. But unfortunately, if you slept until it came the time for Fajr prayer, then you can say sikuwahi suhur. I didn't get the suhur because now you overslept and it went. Okay? So this verb kuwahi, normally it is used to show that you arrived on time for something that was finishing, or it was ending, or it was rare. Okay, let's say they were distributing some fruits and you arrived there on time and got a fruit. Then you can say niliwahi tunda. Niliwahi tunda. It means you got there on time and you are lucky to get that thing. If you understood this lesson, kindly comment in the comment section, or you can like this video, you can share, and don't forget to subscribe, please. I want to ask you a question regarding the first use, okay? Je, uliwahi kuenda Tanzania? Je, uliwahi kuenda Tanzania? Okay, answer that in the comment section. And for the second part of the use of this kuwahi, I want you to write a sentence with the word kuwahi with a verb or an adverb right in the comment section to show that you understood this pattern. If you didn't understand, don't be afraid. Feel free to ask in the comment section. And lastly, I want to announce the Swahili course that is upcoming, and I will leave the link for the registration in the comment section, in the description section, okay? This Swahili course is starting on 11th April, inshallah, this year, 2024, and it is only Kenya shillings 6,500 per month. We learn 4 days per week. We have different times. The times that are available, you can select which time is available for you. I will leave the link for registration in the description section, so you check and see your time so you can register.